Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Top 5. I'm your host, and today we're diving into the future of cooking with the most innovative and smart kitchen appliances of 2023. Our first contender is the Samsung AI Wall Oven. This futuristic oven utilizes artificial intelligence to detect the type and quantity of food you're cooking. It then adjusts the temperature and cooking time accordingly, ensuring your dishes are cooked to perfection. And the best part? It's remotely controllable via a smartphone app. No more worrying about burnt meals. Next up, we have LG's InstaView Refrigerator. This fridge takes transparency to a whole new level with its glass panel that allows you to see the contents without opening the door. A simple knock on the panel illuminates the interior, revealing your food items. And let's not forget the built-in water dispenser that measures the precise amount of water you need for your recipes. Efficiency at its finest. Moving on, we're looking at Bosch's Induction Range. Say goodbye to traditional cooking methods, as this range uses induction technology to heat your cookware faster and more efficiently than ever. The sleek touchscreen control panel adds a modern touch, and the self-cleaning mode takes the hassle out of maintenance, a must-have for any tech-savvy chef. And finally, we have Nova's Precision Oven. This smart countertop appliance takes the guesswork out of cooking with its steam and convection technology. The built-in probe monitors the internal temperature of your food and sends notifications to your phone when it's ready. Plus, you'll have access to a library of recipes and cooking guides through the Nova app. There you have it, folks. The top 5 smart kitchen appliances of 2023 that are changing the way we cook. From AI-powered ovens to customizable appliances, these innovations are reshaping our culinary experience. Which one caught your attention? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting content.